Love is something everyone desires, but sometimes it feels just out of reach. Maybe you're waiting for the right person, maybe you want someone to come closer to you, or maybe you just want to bring more passion and attention into your life. The good news is energy follows intention, and with the right focus, a little ritual, and a calm mind, you can gently guide that energy in your favor. Hello and welcome back to AtsBay Online Classes YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all our videos. In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple love spells that you can try at home. These are easy, safe, and work by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and intention with the energy of love and with very little materials. Now just remember, don't force anything. Real love flows naturally. These rituals only help open the path. So let's begin. The first one is a mirror love spell. So the things you need are a mirror, a red or pink lipstick which you normally use. Don't buy a new lipstick for that. This lipstick has to be the one which you are using, and it should be either red or pink. Now you need one red candle. Don't go for the normal red candles you find in the market. Go for a spell candle, red spell candle. Now if you have no option of buying a red spell candle, you can go with a normal candle. That is up to you. But why I'm saying this is because if you get a spell candle for spell work, you can keep on using it, reuse it again and again. There is no harm in that. But if you are going for a normal candle which you buy from the shops, that candle can be used only for one spell. After that you have to throw it away. If the candle finishes or the candle doesn't finish, also you cannot use it for another spell. So that is why we always advise people to go for spell candles when they are doing spells. And spell candles are done or made by practitioners. So in case you are interested, you can contact me for that. Next, you need a love oil or a love spray. You can get it in spray form and you can get it in oil form also. These are the things which you need. So basic things only. Now what you do, you have to sit in a quiet place where nobody will disturb you. Nobody will come there and ask you for something, or your phone will ring, or just keep your phone off. Now light the candle and relax your mind. Remember, if you are tensed, stressed, or have some problems in your mind, no spell is going to work. You cannot do spell work during that kind of a situation. So if you are craving for your ex, somebody has left you and gone, you had a breakup and then you want to get back to that person, in all these scenarios, don't do spell work. You cannot do it. It will not work. So what you need to do is, first you need to calm your mind. You have to be in a place where your mind is calm. You can keep some soft music or something like that to relax. Now look into the mirror and you visualize your ideal partner. When you are visualizing the partner, if you have somebody in mind, okay, fine, you can visualize that person. If you don't have somebody in mind, don't focus too much on the looks and their physical appearance. Think about how you want that person to be, how you want that person to treat you, how you want that person to care for you, what kind of characteristics you want in that person. Think of all this. So what you are doing is you are creating such a person. Okay, now once you have that image in your mind, with the lipstick, you draw the heart shape with the lipstick you are already using on the mirror. Then you say, love that is right for me, come into my life naturally. This is all that you need to say, nothing else. Then you sit there for some time. So candle is lit, look into the candle flame, look into the heart which you have drawn, sit for 5 or 10 minutes, and then you snuff out that candle. Now that is why I said always use a spell candle. If it is a normal candle, you have to sit there until the candle completely burns out. Or you can of course snuff out the candle. You have to throw away the candle. It's a waste of money. So if you buy a spell candle, you can use it multiple times. Maybe you want to repeat doing this another time after maybe 10 days or something. You want to repeatedly do this, then you can use the same candle. That is why I keep saying this. Now once this is done, you forget about it totally. Spell work, again, that is another golden rule of spell work, is that once you do a spell work, you have to forget about it. You cannot keep thinking about it. If you keep thinking about it, it's not going to work. So you forget about it, and then keep the mirror somewhere near where you are sleeping in the night. So it should be kept in a place where nothing will fall on it and erase that heart which you have drawn on it. So keep it somewhere safe like that. Then you stand by that every night for the next 7 nights. Just stand in front of the mirror, take the mirror in your hand, look into the mirror, and again visualize visualize the same person that you have been visualizing, and you do this continuously for 7 days. On the 7th night, you take that love oil or love spray and take some cotton or something and wipe it off. This is what you need to do, and then you forget it. So 7 days has passed, the spell will start working. Now, if the spell doesn't work that month, again do it next month. It will definitely work. So this is an easy love spell, mirror love spell. Now we'll move on to the next one.
So the next spell is for a phone call. You want somebody to call you. You want a specific person to call you who has not been calling, and you miss that person and you want that person to call you. So this is the scenario. Now what you need to do is take your phone and you need either the love oil or the love spray. Just touch that on your phone and you close your eyes and visualize that person calling you. Visualize that person's name on your phone screen and you keep thinking of that person. Just focus on that. This is a manifestation spell actually. You need to focus. You need to completely focus on that person calling you. You need to see them holding their phone and dialing your number and calling you. And at the same time, you need to say this, what I'm going to say, 3 times loud. Thank you, universe, for this phone call I received from my specific person. I am so grateful forever. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. You need to say this 3 times. Pause the video and write down what I have just said so that you will remember it. Or watch the video multiple times to learn this affirmation. And then you open your eyes and in a few minutes that person will call you. This is a manifestation spell. So how much you manifest, your results will come from that. Now we move on to the next spell. Now, this spell is for bringing 2 people closer together. Again, like if you had a relationship and you feel that that person is growing away from you, or there is a distance between you and you want to close that distance, you want to bring that person closer to you, then you can do the spell. So what you need for this is some cinnamon, 1 bowl, and some salt. That's all. You don't need anything else. And you can keep any flower, maybe jasmine or rose or something like that. If you have, you can keep. Otherwise, it's okay. Watch this video till the end, because at the end I'm going to show a particular love potion which you can make and which you can use as a pendant to attract anyone you want into your life. For this spell, if you have the flowers, take the flowers and put it in the bowl, and then you sprinkle some cinnamon over it, add the little bit of salt, and then you mix everything with your hand. And while you're doing this, you need to say this chant which I'm going to say now. Love grows stronger, hearts come closer, let care and affection increase. Say this 9 times. Now you keep the bowl in any part of your room, somewhere where you can see it, for a day. The next day, take the bowl and keep it outside your front door. That is where you need to keep it. So this is a very easy spell. Anybody can do this. But in the end, I'm going to show something else which anyone can make and anyone can do and will help a lot of people in similar situations regarding relationships. Now we move on to the next spell. Our next spell is a rose love spell. So for this, you need a real fresh rose. By a real fresh rose, what I mean is a rose that has not been treated by any chemical like a fertilizer or something like that. If you get a rose from a flower shop, definitely it has been sprayed by some chemical to keep it fresh for a longer duration. So do not take that rose. You have to get a rose from somebody's personal garden where you know that they are not using any fertilizer or any chemical on the flower. Or you need to have your own rose plant. This you have to be very careful for this spell. Roses have always been associated with love and affection. So we are using that property of the roses in this spell. Next, you need to take a small bowl, add 3 or 4 spoons of water, drinking water, and let it boil. In that, you add some sugar and make it into a syrup consistency. Into that, you pluck the petals of this rose, this fresh rose, and put it into that syrup. And again, you stir nicely, making it into a paste. Now, when you are going out to meet somebody, if you want to attract that person, just take a little bit of this paste with your finger and rub it on your lips. You would get the taste of it. And then the remaining you can keep in your fridge always. lips. It will stay for some time. If you go to meet somebody wearing this paste on your lips, that person will be attracted to you. So this is the rose love spell. Now we move on to the last one. Now the last spell. After this, I will show you how to make the pendant which will attract love. So for this, you need 3 oils. That is the love oil, the manifestation oil, and the come to me oil. You need 3 of these oils for this particular spell, and this is a paper heart spell. Next you need is a pink colored paper, and on that paper you write your name and your specific person's name, and then you draw a heart around the names, meaning that names should be inside the heart. Now you cut the paper in the shape of that heart you have drawn, and after that you take your finger and you take 1 drop of the love oil, 1 drop of the manifestation oil, and 1 drop of the come to me oil, and you apply on that paper where the names are written, on the names, or the whole heart you can apply, and you keep saying your specific person's name, and you say, come to me forever, come to me forever, come to me forever. Say the name and say this chant. Say this 3 times, and then you fold it and keep it in a tight box which cannot be opened. You have to seal it and keep it. Keep it somewhere where you know you're going to find it next, because once you keep it, it should not be forgotten. You should always remember that that box is there somewhere. You do this and that person will come to you. So this is our last spell of the 5 spells which I said in the beginning. The next thing you need to remember, very important thing you need to remember, is once you do a spell, please keep it secret. Do not go around telling people, I did this, I did that. Don't do that. Your spell will not work. Next important thing is that do not show on camera a real spell work, because sometimes we show on camera a spell work which is for teaching purpose. That is not a real spell. That is, we are demonstrating for the purpose of teaching. Other than that, if you do spell work and you take photos and put it on Instagram, put it on YouTube like that, that spell is not going to work. Trust me, it is not going to work. A spell has always to be done secretly and only for your eyes and for the eyes of the universe. Nobody else should see that work. So this is something that is very important which you should remember. Now we go on to the special pendant which I promised I will show in the end. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. It will be very helpful for my channel to grow, and also I will be giving spells like this continuously now on in this channel.
So let's light the candle first. So we have the spell candle here. I make like this kind of spell candles with 2 wicks, that means 2 flames like that, so that it melts uniformly. Now I have one small jar here. You can see in my hand. Can you see? I hope you can see. Small jar, okay? And in this I have some rose quartz here. So this is rose quartz. I'm going to put that in first. When you are doing this, you think of the person, the kind of person you want to attract. Let me move this little bit, otherwise my hand will get burnt. A little bit, enough. Put some quartz in that. Put with my hand. This is rose quartz crystal. Okay, it's another best thing for attracting love and affection and attraction and all that. Rose quartz crystal. You will get like this to buy flakes. You call it flakes. Next, I'm going to put in some glitter. So we have the rose quartz there. Now we will put in some glitter. Let me make this stand first. because it is a round bowl, it will not stand properly. Okay. Now we have it standing. Now I will put some glitter in this. This is all this you will get to buy. Put some glitter. Some pink glitter. A little more of this. Okay. And then this one. You should have a proper altar cloth and all when you are doing this. Now is the time to put in the magic potion. So this is my magic potion which I have already prepared and kept. So I am going to add this to this bowl. This is a magic potion which just like me make. This we don't tell anybody the recipe of this. Instead of this, you can add love oil, come to me oil, attraction oil, manifestation oil, all that you can add instead of what I am adding here. Okay, so this way you can make your jar also magical. Now I am going to close the lid. Before that, I will say the person's names, the two persons who are supposed to be attracted to each other, their names, and I will close it like this. See, like this. So now the potion is there. The crystals are there, the glitter is there, the magic potion is there. So this you can wear like this in a chain, or you can just hang it on your phone. I'll show nicely. Or you can just hang it on your phone or your handbag or anywhere like that. So this is the pendant. You can wear it as a pendant in a chain like this, or you can use it as a charm also. So this is the one which will attract love and affection, which you can make by yourself. See this, because I have this bowl, I am making in this. If you have something else, you can make in that also. Instead of this magic potion which I put here, you can add some love oil, come to me oil, attraction oil, manifestation oil, all this you can add. Any of this also you can add. You can mix all together and add one drop of each also you can add and use this. But when you make it, be sure you manifest that person. You think about that person whom you want. Like I said in previous spells, don't just think of the physical looks, physical person. Think about the characteristics you want in a person before you make this. Okay, so then whenever you go somewhere, somebody who has that characteristics will be attracted to you. So that's all in today's spell class. I will be showing spells continuously from now on in all my videos. So if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all our videos. Thank you so much for watching.